Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to draw with lines and shapes today. So a line, I know it sounds simple, but a line is a mark that extends from one point to another point. So I have a straight line, I have zigzag lines, I've got wavy lines, dotted or dashed, right? I have all different types of lines. And a line is actually used to create a shape. So if I take a line and extend it from one point to another, and then continue, and then eventually bring those two lines or those lines all the way around to meet at another point, I have a shape. So I have a triangle, circle, rectangle, right? So lines and shapes are the basis of drawing. They're the most fundamental building blocks of drawing. So today we're going to use them to draw a person. So whenever you're drawing people or houses or animals, anything, you want to really break it down into simple lines and simple shapes. So I'm going to show you how to draw a person using shapes. So you'll notice I am using a Sharpie, and the reason I'm doing that is to provide contrast, black on white, right? The black on white makes it really visible to you while I'm recording. However, I want you to use a pencil. Whenever you are drawing, always start with a pencil. Ideally, you would have an eraser. That way, if you make a mistake, you can erase. So let's get started.